Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel stylefitwithjanu. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna share a very simple festive makeup look. It's like gonna be a wearable makeup look and it's gonna be easy with just using 5 makeup products. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna create a beautiful and easy simple festive look with just 5 products, and it's gonna be an easy and wearable and it's gonna be long lasting. So without further delay, let's get into the video. But before that, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. As you can see, my skin is already prepped. I would just link the products that I've used today for my skincare routine in the description box below so you can check it out. So now let's move into the makeup. First, I'm going to use a concealer, which is a beautiful full coverage concealer from Inside Cosmetics. It's their HD concealer. I'm in the shade MN35 and this is a pretty good match for me. So I'm going to apply wherever I have hyperpigmentation, dark spots and my flaws to cover it up, and I'm gonna blend it so well. So this is a beautiful concealer, guys. As you can see, it covers up almost everything. Every flaws is gonna get covered, and this is very on the affordable side, which is great, right? Inside Cosmetics are bringing up a very good quality products on the affordable side, so you can definitely check them out. So can you see the base, guys? It's almost flawless and it's skin like it's super natural. It's not like a heavy makeup kind of a finish right here. So now let's move on to the second product, and I'm going to use this Pack Cosmetics Take Cover Compact Powder, and I'm in the shade 8 Cocoa Shell. So this is a pretty slightly light powder for my skin tone, but whenever I wear a base makeup, this is gonna suit me well. So I'm just gonna take this and set my entire base with this. This is a beautiful finely milled compact powder which provides a slight little coverage and it lasts longer. My makeup lasts longer whenever I use this because it just controls the excess oil and it provides its flawless skin like look, and I love it so much. So that's about my entire base right now. So for the next step, I'm just going to use this Earth Rhythms Tinted Lippy Pocket Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Pretty Pout. This shade is such a beautiful kind of a bright pink shade, but it suits almost all skin tones. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is the shade. This shade is so good, so I'm going to use it as a blush, as an eyeshadow and as a lipstick all together. Can you see that color, guys? It is so good. Also, what you know, guys, about this product, this has SPF of 30, which is so great, right? A makeup product which is great with a SPF. So I'm just gonna blend it out right now. Ooh, this is so pigmented. After blending it with my fingers, I'm just gonna go in with the brush to just settle it down a little bit. So after blending, it's a bit subtle and it's pretty good. So please keep in mind that this product is so beautiful. It's top-notch pigmented, so just a little is gonna be right for your blush and eyeshadow. So now I'm just gonna pop up this on my lips as well. That's it. So I love this shade so much, and I always prefer, whenever I just go out, I usually prefer this shade on my lips because it's so bright and beautiful. So for my eyes, to enhance the look of my eyes, I'm going to use this newly launched Typsy Beauties 2-in-1 eyeliner and kajal. So this side is an eyeliner and other side is the kajal. So first I'm going to use the kajal side. Sorry, this is the eyeliner side. So I'm going to use this kajal side. It's a twist up kajal. It's pretty cool, right? So I'm going to tight line my waterline. The kajal has worked so well. The pigmentation is good. It's just slides smoothly on my waterline and it's pretty good. It's great for sensitive skin. As of now, there's no watering, there's no slight tingling effect as well. So it's pretty good. I like it so much. So now let's move on to the eyeliner part. So this is the eyeliner part, and I'm just gonna draw a thin wing eyeliner. Ooh, this is so pigmented. I'm really liking this product, guys. It's super pigmented. It's amazing. It's very easy to draw with this beautiful felt tip eyeliner. I'll just complete the other side and then we'll be right back. So that's it about the eyeliner, guys. The pigmentation, the perfectness, the sharpness is pretty good, and I love this eyeliner so much. So I'm just gonna fill in my sparse areas of eyebrows with the kajal side, very slightly, because it's quite a pigmented, so I'm gonna be a little bit careful. That's it for the eyebrows, guys. I use the kajal with this beautiful eyebrow brush to just fill in my eyebrows, and it's gonna be a great multi-purpose product, right? One product for eyeliner, kajal and eyebrows, and your entire eye look is gonna be done. So next, the last step, and it's the mascara from the Sugar Cosmetics. It's the Lash of Titans mascara, and this is one of the mascara I have been liking so much lately. This is a pretty good mascara, guys. I love the way it lengthens and volumes the lashes so well in just one coat. You won't believe me, but you'll see just now. Can you see the difference, guys? The volume, the length, the pigmentation is so super good. Though it is around 700 rupees, I would definitely say it is worth the price. So this is the entire look with just 5 products, guys. If you just wear your bindi and complete the entire look, it is going to be so good. So I'm just gonna complete and I'll be right back. That's it, guys. This is the easy wearable daytime makeup look for Diwali with just using 5 products and under 10 minutes. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to give that like. Comment down below if you want me to share more easy wearable festive looks for this Diwali season, and also do let me know if you want more product reviews or any specific product reviews as well. I will be happy to share it with you all. And yeah, share this video with your friends and family. Also, you can check out my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu for more skincare, hair care and makeup content. Also, I will link where I bought this earring because it's so beautiful, right? So check out for all the product details in the description box below. Yeah, until next time, bye bye.